Hello everyone, and welcome to a very special edition of 30 and 30. My name's Raven and this is my channel. Today is a special day because this is my first YouTube recipe. Okay y'all, a little backstory on this recipe. Right after college, I actually worked at a juice bar, which really comes in handy when I'm talking about like health and wellness. Like I literally learned so much, it's crazy. But while I worked there, I learned about the best ingredients for juices and smoothies. So today we're recreating one of my favorite smoothies from my job at the juice bar. So what you're gonna need for this recipe, it's gonna be a blender because we're making a smoothie. It's gonna be some oat milk, your favorite protein, frozen bananas, chia seeds, espinaca, just kidding, spinach. Ooh, almond butter or your favorite nut butter, totally up to you. And then a little bit of honey and cinnamon. Remember, all of these ingredients you can mix and match, use to your heart's delight. Okay, here we go. Okay, you guys, this blender, it's literally brand new, so I don't really know what I'm doing, but like, how do you even get this off? Oh. Okay, you guys, I like to start with the chunky stuff first. So grab your frozen banana. I have like half a frozen banana. Now, what's the difference between frozen and not frozen? Frozen adds a lot more creaminess. I am really a temperature sensitive person. Like I hate cold anything. I just hate cold food, cold drinks, can't do it, right? So less ice for me, more just like frozen blendable stuff. So one frozen banana or half a frozen banana. Next up, frozen organic riced cauliflower. I know, it sounds so weird, right? I promise you, this is one of the, if I can even open it. Okay, finally got it open, it's fine. But let's add about, let's do like half a cup. We're never getting too scientific in here, baby. Try not to spill it. Bing, a little bit more. Okay, and you're wondering why riced cauliflower? It actually is super, super, super high in fiber, and it's also gonna give you that same creaminess as the banana, but doesn't have a lot of flavor in your smoothie. I know so many people feel like it's like so weird, but it's like another serving of vegetables, right? The high fiber content in this is actually what's gonna be super duper good for your hormones, baby. Okay. We're going down in chunkiness. We're going down, down. Okay, let's do like 1 cup of spinach. Let's see. Ooh, it's okay if you get a little extra razzle dazzle in there. I love to pack the greens in. All right, that's our spinach, all of our frozen stuff. Next, let's do our protein. So this is my favorite protein right now. It's Women's Best Fit Whey. And it's got 24 grams of protein and 110 calories. I don't really like count calories or anything, but protein is another huge reason why this recipe is going to be really good for your hormones. It's super balanced, low glycemic, which is really nourishing for them. It's not gonna like trigger insulin spikes, nothing like that. Okay, so moving on. Let's get a little nutty. I'm using mixed nut butter. This one's from Trader Joe's. It's got dry and salted almonds, cashews, walnuts, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, and pecans. You can use regular almond butter. I'm a huge peanut butter fan, but I don't really love it in this recipe. You can see, this puppy is brand new. Now, since this is like all natural and stuff, we're gonna have to give it a little swirly girly. Got a spoonie. Oh yeah. Alrighty, our almond butter is all stirred up. I'm gonna go in with one tablespoon. It's up to you. Let's see what the serving size is. The serving size is 32 grams. So we're just gonna go for a heaping, juicy booty scoop of that. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, delicioso. Alrighty, put her to the side. Now we're going for some organic chia seeds. These also have a lot of fiber, a lot of nutrients, and they'll help you go to the bathroom. So a serving size here is 2 tablespoons. We're just gonna go for like a half teaspoon. You don't want too many of these because since we're not like soaking them or anything, you don't want it to be too gritty. There you go, Bubba. But lots of healthy fats in our almond butter and our chia seeds. Okay, we're almost done, y'all. Let's do a honey. We'll do 1 teaspoon of honey. A little extra won't kill anybody, baby. Cinnamon. Get it in there. I love cinnamon. Last thing, gotta get your oat milk. This is Mulata. I actually have never bought oat milk before, but this one had no added sugar. I'm gonna do 1 cup. This one had no added sugar, had some coconut in there too, but it's up to you if you wanna use regular milk. You could even do some almond milk and add maybe some like plant-based yogurt to this if you wanna up the proteins, totally up to you. Okay, so everything is in there. Let's press play. All right, let's see you guys. Oh, yeah, baby. Yum. Very good, you guys. You can't even taste the cauliflower or the spinach. Happy, hormone, healthy smoothie palooza. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, let me know if you like that. My very first recipe on YouTube for 30 and 30. And I will see you again on the mat or in the kitchen or somewhere else, hopefully on your screen soon. All right, bye you guys. Here she goes. Oh, that's not it. Y'all. Okay, have no idea. So it goes like this. This way. Okay.